Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great weekend. So it is the last day of August. Crazy, right? Like, I know I say this every month. I think everyone says this every month, but time seriously flies. So I realized I've had like my Annie's craft kit like for all month. I just received my September one, so I'm like, I need to get this open. So today I'm gonna unbox my Annie's Creative Woman of the Month kit. I love this subscription. I've just been so behind on things. So this is a craft subscription. Annie's offers so many different subscription plans that all relate to like crafts. So there's one for jewelry making, quilt making, other like sewing, like crocheting, stuff like that. So mine's just like learning a new craft every month, the Creative Woman of the Month Club. Oh my God. Sorry, I'm getting like a phone call from my friend I met in Jamaica, like through like Facebook Messenger right now. I haven't talked to them in like a year, but I'll call them back later. That was just interesting name to show up on my phone. But what was I saying? So yeah, this is a Creative Woman of the Month Club, which they send you a craft every single month. In the past few months, I've been doing it on camera. Today I'm just gonna unbox it and show this to you, but I do plan on soon opening up my September box, and I will do that craft on camera. So if you like those videos, I'm sorry that I'm not doing the craft today. You guys have to let me know, would you like to see me do both crafts in the next video when I have more time? I could definitely do that. I'm super excited to see what we got this month. So it's about $20 a month. It's like $19.99 plus shipping, but I have a code that I'm gonna share with you guys. It'll save you 50% off any of the Annie subscriptions. So it's an amazing deal. So even if you don't want this one, if you want like the jewelry making one or the quilting, there's like 8 or 10 options or something now. I think they might have added another one. I'm gonna link that down below along with my code, so check it out. If you're feeling crafty or just wanna like have more hobbies in your life, like this is a great subscription. Like I felt like for a while, like I don't really have hobbies, so I thought crafting would be something like fun to get into, and it really is fun. So let's see what came in the August box for our craft. So if you guys follow me, you know, like I've been talking about the hurricane. So I live in Florida. So the latest update when I watched earlier today at 11, it looks like it is not going to hit my area as of now, but things can change at any time. I'm hoping it just keeps moving and doesn't hit any land. I think the Bahamas are about to be hit really bad. So I'm praying for those people there, but let's hope that it keeps moving and doesn't hit the Americas at all. Oh my God, this looks so fun. So yeah, so far things are gonna be okay, I think, for me, but I'll keep you guys updated. There's always a chance I might lose power, or who knows, even like worst case scenario, I have to evacuate or something like that, so I might not be posting, but I'm gonna try and continue it based on weather. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. But this looks so amazing. Oh my God, maybe I will have to make this on camera. I'm going to for sure. This is Annie's Creative Women Club. This is blushing bracelets. So we're gonna be making these bracelets. This looks so awesome. Like here are all the different beads and stuff. I'll open it and show you better, but this is so cute. I think those are like such cute style too, and I think a lot of people like of different styles and stuff, different ages, could love these bracelets. So it might have been hard to see before with the plastic overwrap, but there it is again. So let's open this up. So it comes with a pamphlet that tells you like the ingredient list, like what comes inside. It's not ingredients, we're not eating anything. So what comes in your kit and what else you will need, and then helpful hints and instructions. And looks like there are 5 different assembly patterns for the bracelets that we can make. So here is the first page. So let's see. So the ingredients included are a round aventurine, I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, 10 millimeters, 6 millimeters, 15 millimeter flat wood rounds, 8 millimeters of wood cubes, 9 millimeters times 6 millimeters wood ovals, and an elastic cord. You'll also need ruler, tape, scissors, towel, and jewelry glue is optional. And for helpful hints, it says, please read all hints before you begin. Arrange the beads for each bracelet on a towel before putting it together. Working on a towel will keep your beads from rolling around. That's a great tip. And it says, if desired, wrap pieces of tape around ends of elastic cord to keep beads from sliding off. Once you have tied the surgeon's knot, pull on ends of elastic and bracelet itself to tighten the knots. So I guess that's the surgeon's knot. I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that. But here are all of the things that come inside. This looks so fun. I'm definitely going to incorporate this into the upcoming video. So if you guys want to see this, so this was the August one, it's almost September, so I just received the September box in the mail like yesterday or really recently, so I'm gonna do that soon. And I will do both of these. These look so cool. So these are all in here safely. So here are like the wooden blocks. Here's this elastic for like holding the beads together. So I think this will be such a fun thing to do. So yeah, I've never made my own bracelets, or like made of wooden pieces. Maybe I have like when I was a kid, like friendship bracelets and stuff like this, but this is like the grown-up version. So I think this looks really cool. I like that one a lot. I think the ones on the back though actually might be the ones I will like the most. And I think I have everything at home. I don't have jewelry glue, but they say that's optional. I do have a ruler, or like measuring tape at least, and I have regular tape, scissors, and a towel. The thing I'm like most like nervous about, I'm like, can I tie the surgeon's knot? Hopefully it's not too hard. You can feel cat hair on here. So this looks awesome. I'm so excited, you guys. So I'll get prepared and I'll film that other video. That might be a good one to film if I'm like rolling out the hurricane here, you know. I'll have to make sure my battery's charged. Maybe I can just do some crafts and film it. Yeah, that's a great idea. So that's what I'm gonna do during the hurricane. I'm gonna do some crafts to keep myself occupied. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated on the hurricane stuff. Like I said, I'm gonna link this down below. Sorry I'm not doing the craft on camera today. I'm really excited to do like a longer crafting videos coming up in the next week or so. So look forward to that. I hope you guys like these crafting videos in this craft box. Again, 50% off any of the Annie subscriptions using that code. I think it's like KB50, like Kitty's Box is 50, but I will leave that all down below so you can just like copy and paste it or whatever. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!